Okay guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. I found a problem in my project because I don't remember to do the space inside the original SKYLAB version for the EVA door. In fact, I check in details all the information, all the drawing present on this book, and in the same time I check all the drawing regarding the multi-docking adapter, and I found this particular that in this place you can, I'm so sorry for the finger, in this place we have EVA door, the EVA hatch for type Gemini type, and this is a problem for me because many years ago I did this part of the model, and now it's necessary to make our correct space for make the space and the position for the EVA hatch. And I check all and think regarding this problem, and I think that the best way is to remove this part. In fact, if you check this, if I remember all this part, I can make the correct space for make the EVA hatch, and this I think that this is the best solution for my problem. And in the same time I check all drawing for the dimension necessary for me to make the multi-docking adapter. In fact, in this drawing you can see the second docking port of the SKYLAB. In the low part of the multi-docking adapter there was four doors, I'm so sorry, no, four windows, and for me it's important to do them, and that's it. Now I have all the dimension necessary to make this piece with my tools in the correct reduction scale 1/72, and I think that is all the information necessary to do this part of the model. Yes, I haven't idea the reaction of this part of the model if I remove this part, and the same I think that is so important for me for a good work, remove this part of the model. Yes, this is inside the Saturn lunar adapter. I try, eventually I remedied a problem in different ways, but I think now this idea is good. I started to remove this part, and after remove the upside of this piece. In this way I can do the space necessary for the EVA door, Gemini types. Yes, I think that this is the best solution for my project. Okay, this is the project. This is the low part of the Saturn lunar adapter, and this is in this way you can see this is this. In this place I can joint the multi-docking adapter. In this side I will make the space for put inside the EVA door. Yep. Okay, now I show you all my problem or my ideas and I can proceed with to make this part of this new incredible project that I have in my mind. I thought of making the multi-docking adapter longer than necessary. In this way, it will provide me with a support base for the whole model, and at the same time, I will have created the space for the EVA hatch. I think that this is the best solution for this problem. Yes, yes. This is the best solution for my problem. Yes, I think that this is the correct solution. I remove this. I put inside the multi-docking adapter, and I remove this part, and I have the space where I can join the EVA hatch. Yes, I think that this is the solution. Now I will make the multi-docking adapter. After made the multi-docking adapter, I can remove this part of the PVC. I create the space and put inside the multi-docking adapter. After this phase of the work, I can start to remove this part of the PVC. Yeah. And I create and I make the correct space for the EVA hatch. Yes, I think that the best solution. Okay, guys, see you soon in the next video with this incredible and very crazy project. Yep, I think that. See you. Bye.